Hello guys, let's take 5 minutes as a weekly outlook for Ethereum USD for the week starting 16th of November 2025. You can see on the daily chart there's a downtrend. So first of all, we'll mark our weekly range, which is the highest point 5,000 and the lower point 2,200. Then on the daily we have 3, 7 and 3,000. Have 3, 7 and 3,000. As you can see on the chart, there's a downtrend on the daily chart. So we draw our trend line. As you can see, you see the last 3 points on which price touched the trend line. None of the candles closed above this trend line. So believe that the downtrend is still on. On the weekly range, when you come to the discount zone, you will notice a mitigation block which is marked out on the weekly, and this mitigation block is where you expect price to reverse from. This is what I expect price to do, and you mark this POI. This mitigation block is a POI for the 4 hours for the weekly time frame, and in the 4 hours chart, there's a POI following this downtrend. There's a POI close to the trend line which you expect price to trade to retrace to before it continues selling downwards to the weekly POI. It hits the 4 hours POI and trades down to the weekly or daily POI. At that point, it gives you the reversal pattern which breaks the trend line, and price comes back to this POI and to the trend line and retests both of them before it continues buying. I expect the market to do in this week. If you look at this week, most of this area will likely not occur this week. Maybe in 2 weeks time. This is expected this week. Maybe we'll see it on Friday. Sorry, between Wednesday and Friday, and it comes here. It comes to this POI where it consolidates before moving. So thank you for being with us throughout this video. I'd like to introduce you to Maven Trading. Maven Trading is a reliable prop firm. It doesn't deny your payouts, it pays you very fast, and is the cheapest in the industry compared to the cost of every other one available. They have no hidden rules.